In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom meeting link to a Google Calendar event. Whether you're organizing a virtual meeting or just need to ensure your invitees have easy access to the Zoom call details, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to do just that. First, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. You can do this either through the Google Calendar website on your computer or the app on your mobile device. Once you're on the calendar, you'll want to create a new event. To do this, locate the date and time on your calendar that you want for your meeting and simply click on the spot. A new event window will pop up. Now, if you're looking to add the Zoom link to an existing event instead of creating a new one, you can do that as well. Simply find the event on your calendar, click on it to open, and then select the edit option. This will allow you to modify the event details. Once you're in the event edit screen, scroll down until you see the description field. This is where we will input the Zoom link. Before you start pasting away, make sure you have the correct Zoom meeting link handy. If you're the host, you can generate it from your Zoom account. If you're not, ensure you have the correct link from the host. In the description field, go ahead and paste your Zoom meeting link. It typically looks like this: http://zoom.us/j12346789, where the numbers at the end are unique to your meeting. This link is crucial as it will direct attendees straight to the Zoom meeting from the calendar event. After you've pasted the link, it's good practice to double check that it's complete and accurate. You definitely want to avoid any typos that can lead to confusion on the day of your virtual meeting. With the link successfully added, it will appear in the event details as a clickable hyperlink, so attendees can easily join the Zoom call at the appointed time. Once everything is set, click the Save button. This final step ensures all the details, including the Zoom link, are saved and available to all event attendees. And voila, you've successfully added a Zoom meeting link to a Google Calendar event. Your invitees will appreciate the convenience, and you can rest easy knowing everyone has all the information needed to connect on time. Remember, adding the Zoom link directly into the calendar event simplifies the process for everyone involved. It provides a centralized, easy access point for meeting participation. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it makes your scheduling just a little bit easier and meeting coordination more seamless.